masyado masigas. Set ko na lang yung available yan.
We've got your drinks after 20 minutes. Medyo matagal.
Wait, let's watch. Hey guys, so we got 4 drinks for each of us because we're going to Baguio. And it's like, ano na, time is it? 2?
It's almost 3 p.m.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And we have 3 hours to go. I got their new matcha. It's like the creamy pure matcha latte. And it looks so pretty. I want to try it. We're gonna show our drinks in the car. Okay.
That's our song.
Give me sir, ma'am.
Okay, which was the spicy one?
Daddy loves kind.
I told you that's our song. You make your own song with Daddy.
My daddy says, what?
Ano yung walang mga bahay?
We're here in Manawag, Pangasinan. We're going to have our car blessed.
Did you play there?
So we're gonna have our car blessing here and mom will like talk to the guy sa card. Big time si mommy dito.
Kuya, saan ako?
So we're fixing the insides of our car because we're gonna have it blessed. And I think it's time already. You're supposed to like open up the car. Hey Kyle. So we're waiting for father and I think nagpa-bless na kami dati here ng car. Yes, there's like a line of cars. And I'm just hoping right now that my shoes don't get dirty. Aww. Will father just go here?
Yes.
And like that? Nagpo-car blessing na ba tayo here before? Bus?
Diba?
Bus blessing.
Car blessing ka naman. Ano?
I really? First time.
First
Pero we always go here, diba? If we're like
Yes.
going to La Union or Baguio.
So kapag bus, marami nang nagpa-bless na bus. Sana ngayong year na to, maraming bus na mapabless. Magic Sea Transporting Crystal Bus.
Magic Sea. Guys, I'm not wearing any jewelry today. I feel so sad. I left it at home. I look so simple. We bought candles, here for our blessing. And now we're waiting for the mass to finish. I think every car blessing is after every mass.
Every month. Tapos ito yung candles ng nabili. And I got yung ganito, dalawa, para sa altar namin sa house.
I'm gonna ask Father to bless my Nomi and my A-Shape reviewer and my ball pen. This is from Muji. I bought this in Japan. So we're gonna buy rosaries. Since Father is not yet going out.
Ikaw siya. Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
po.
God bless you.
Guys, we bought rosaries and what anong tawag dito? Holy ornaments. Wait, Kyle made a friend. He made a friend. He's making friends everywhere. So we bought these. We also bought 2 rosaries. Sabi ni ate, special rosary ito. So pagtingin ko nakalagay made in Korea. Baka kaya siya special. Pero joke lang. Sabi niya ito daw yung hawak ni Mama Mary na rosary. So we bought 2. One for me, one for mommy.
How old are you?
6?
I'm 6 too.
What's his name?
What's your name?
How old are you?
6.
Oh, you're the same. He's 6 too.
There's a boy in his snack. I say thank you.
Which boy? Which boy? The one there? So much friends, Kyle.
Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat.
Happy New Year po, Father. Ayan na, malapit na yung may magbe-bless.
Here, hold it here lang. Para hindi hold it tightly Hold it properly. Yan. Don't put it up because the candle wax will go on to you. Kaya
Pablisan ko na yung pamilya ko po.
Kisha, Kyle!
Kyle, pabless na.
Dali dito. Ay, sila yung ano. Thank you po.
Hello, I'm an uncle. Chelsea. He's my 7-year-old right here.
Hi!
Alright, ingay kayo pumunta back.
Okay.
Ingat din.
Isa pa po. 1, 2.
So mommy's slipping our family's donation here. And she's gonna pray to Our Lady of Manawag. Yes. So we lit up some candles and prayed. And now we're going to be back in our car as we continue our road trip to Baguio.
Sa pwede.
Hey guys, so right now we're here at the manor and I think my mom is inquiring. I'm not really sure if we're gonna stay here for the night, but good thing there's like rooms available. I think it's because the Christmas season is not yet fully over.
Hanggang 10 po.
10 ngayon.
Bali ang susunod pong night show natin is 9. Ang last po 10.
10. So, dalawa pa.
Opo, dalawa.
Happy New Year! Uy, mami, look kung ganda. 2025.
Hi guys! So we are back at the manor at Camp John Hay and it's so festive dito, as in sobrang happy ko every time na nagpupunta ako dito. So very good decision na sinadya namin pumunta dito kahit lagpas na yung Christmas. So until tomorrow yung Christmas decors nila. Until Cheeking. So tomorrow is Cheeking. So yun na yung last day ng decors pati nung show nila here. So ang ganda guys, ang ganda-ganda dito. As in, if ever nandito lang kayo sa Pilipinas magse-celebrate ng Christmas, I highly suggest for you to visit the manor at Camp John Hay. So kahit hindi kayo dito mag-overnight, pwede naman kayong pumasok. You just have to pay entrance fee para dito sa garden nila. And sobrang ganda, sobrang nakaka-happy, sobrang mararamdaman mo yung Pasko. Ay, grabe. Super. Favorite place ko talaga to dito sa Pilipinas. Just look at that view. So, itong area na to, dito yung playground. So, merong mga, parang bago tong elephant na to, pati itong tiger. Wala to last year. Di ko sila nakita last year. Tapos yan, may mga stores dyan. Kaya lang sarado na siya kasi gabi na. And this one, this area, this is the playground. Ayan yung playground. Nandyan si Kyle. So, puntahan natin. Maraming kids na naglalaro. Ang Kyle! You hold! You're not holding! Oh, there's Kyle. Hi, Kyle! Oh, slide ka na. Dali. Come on. So, itong lights nila until 9 p.m. lang siya talaga. But they extended it until 10 p.m. tonight kasi nga maraming tao. Hi! Oh, come on. Ayan, oh, may slides, may swing. Ayan siya. Super nice for the kids. Kyle, I'm going there, ah. Over here, we have this area, Christmas decoration nila with the penguin. So, ang ganda nung decors this year. Sabi sa front desk, yung theme daw is Yuletide. So, that's how it is. So, here it says, a Yuletide at the Manor Tradition. So, on that side, meron pala upuan doon. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita na may gano'n. Ingay ko pa naman. Tapos, this one, it's dressed up like a gingerbread house. It's so nice! So, let's see what's inside this gingerbread house. Hi! Oh, sinasara na yata. Yeah, ayan. Ah, yung mga for sale na toys. Sige po, okay lang. May mga books. Tapos here, another set of toys. Sobrang festive nung look nung place. As in, meron dito, I think this one, mga stores to. Pero close na sila. Like where you can buy food. On this area, look at that. Super nice. Oh, there's a medical station over there. Here, may rocking chairs. Favorite ko mo po dito sa chair na to. Tapos magpapicture ako, yun yung view. As in, super nice ng photos here at the manor. Ay, ayan pala. On this side, dito yung archery. So, may archery sila ngayon. Last year, parang walang ganyan. Nakasulat archery and fencing. Here, we have the bad coffee. So, malamang coffee yung tinda nila. Ayan siya. And there's a toy store over here na hindi pa nakikita ni Kyle. Na sana hindi niya makita kasi magpapabili na naman yun. Ang cute. Ang daming cute na mga tinda. And meron din silang wall climbing this year. I forgot kung meron sila last year, pero alam ko parang dun siya sa kabilang side ata. Ayan siya, may wall climbing. Ay, may go-kart! Wow! Oh, may trampoline. There's a trampoline area and go-kart. Oh, sabihin ko nga kay Dad. Pwede pala si Kyle dito. Ayan, close na pala. Grabe, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda! Over here, they have this huge 2025 signage. Pwede ka magpa-picture dun sa loob ng bilog. Kanina, may parang Mr. and Mrs. Santa over there. So, every year, iba-iba yung decoration nila. This year, ito siya. Yung last year, I have a video din, pero hindi ko kasi na-post. And now, nagde-dim yung lights because may another light show sila. So, this is their stage. Dito ginagawa yung show. Every year, may show sila. Last year, the theme was Barbie. This year, The Greatest Showman daw. Unfortunately, we were not able to watch it. Kasi pagdating namin, tapos na siya. Ayan yung mga rooms, yung paikot na yan. So, this one, pag ito yung room mo, garden view rooms yung tawag dyan. And this is the restaurant. So, pag magbubuffet ka, dito ka kakain.
Merry Christmas!
Guys, ang ganda! This is their light show. So pretty. So yung light show nila every hour siya. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now nag-extend sila ng another 1 round for 10 p.m. kasi marami pang guests. It's so pretty! Oh my God! We're going to the parking lots. So this one, ito yung parking lot ng The Forest Lodge. So parang same ano sila. Pwede ka rin mag-park dyan.
Christmas here in the manor is such a surreal experience, like going here during Christmas season because, girl, their lights are so pretty. The Christmas vibes are real. And you guys should go here every Christmas with your family because it's really worth it. Even if you're just gonna go to the garden and you're not gonna check in, this is such a good experience for the family because we go here almost every Christmas or every December or January. So last year, I think this was our room. This or, oh my God, wait, I'm gonna adjust the camera. I think this one or this one was a room, and we got to watch the light show from there.
Hey guys, so we're finally back here at the manor and meron na naman tayong room tour. So this one, we've got a room with balcony. Yung last year namin, we've got the 1-bedroom suite. This time, ito lang kasi yung available nila. Like, I forgot ko anong tawag sa room na to. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. Pero it has a balcony. So now, i-tour ko kayo dito sa room namin. This is the door. So, our room is room 124. Very perfect for us because ang birthday namin ni Daddy, 1. Parehas kami, si Kisha and Kyle, both sila 24. So, ayan siya. Nandito tayo sa ground floor nila. Nag-walk-in lang kami. Hindi ako nakabook beforehand. So, walk-in lang kami dahil biglaan lang tong Baguio trip namin. Gabi na nga kami dumating. Kakadating lang namin ng mga 8 p.m. So, kanina, chinek ko yung sa Agoda. Ang rate na nandun is 13,000. But I've got this room for around 8,000 plus siya nung nag-inquire ako dito sa hotel. So, tumawag muna ako and then after that, sabi ko mag-walk-in na lang ako. So, yun. Parang mas bumaba yung rate nung nag-walk-in ako compared nung tumawag ako sa phone. Mas mababa yung rate na nakuha ko ngayon. Ito yung door. So, upon entrance, meron tayong full-size mirror. Ayan siya. Hanggang paayan. Ang ganda, diba? Oh, so, kita mo yung OOTD mo. Pagdating mo. And then, over here, ayan na yung papasok ng room. Meron tayong decor here. Like that, parang may mga, alam nyo na. Ayan yung room. So, dun muna tayo sa room, bago tayo pumunta dito sa area na to. So, over here, we have a mini kitchen. Itong mini kitchen natin, ayan siya, merong drawers. Wala silang microwave, but they have this coffee maker na merong pods. Ayan yung pods niya. I think free lang naman to, diba? Wala naman nakalagay na may bayad siya. May electric kettle, may cups and saucers, and meron silang cream, may tea, brown sugar, white sugar, tapos itong water nila. May nakalagay, The Manor at Camp John Hay. Pero syempre may baon din kaming water namin. Tapos merong glasses, may mugs, and meron tayong sink here. So, pwede mag-ugas ng pinggan. Kung may nakakang pinggan, pwede naman. Yan yung trash can. And over here, we have a mini refrigerator na madaming laman. Ang daming laman. Pero syempre, bawal natin i-consume yan. Kasi mahal yan. So, bawal yan i-consume ni Kyle. Ayan siya. Sara na natin. Parating na si Kyle. And then, over here, we have, ito yung lalagyan ng luggage. Wala kaming dalang luggage ngayon kasi nga hindi naman namin alam na magbabagyo talaga kami. Nagbaon lang kami ng damit just in case lang na mag-overnight anywhere. As in, walang plan talaga. And then here, we have 2 twin beds. Ayan siya. Kasya kami dyan ni Daddy, tsaka si Kisha and Kyle. And then, yung bed nila, malambot. Super lambot ng bed nila. Malambot yung bed. May lamp here and may phone. You also have a drawer here na merong Bible. Na-appreciate ko yung mga hotels na may Bible. On this side, meron tayong mini bar na maraming laman. And ito yung TV natin. May TV, may remotes. And then, ayan. May mga drawers na ayokong buksan. Hindi ko masyado binubuksan yung mga drawers sa mga hotel. Natatakot ako. Baka may lumabas. So, ayan siya. And then here, merong cute na bear, Norman's Corner. Itong bear, 600. Yung mga gummies, 140 yung price niya. And then we have here a lounge chair where Kyle is sitting. Hi, Kyle! Oh, 'di ba? Si Kyle kumakain na ng KitKat. We also have this one. Ito, parang pwede mo siyang gawing computer station or makeup station. Okay. So, we also have a balcony here outside. Akala ko yung kabilang ibibigay sa atin, yung garden view. Ba't tayo napunta dito? Walang ano dito. Oh my God. Walang view. It's forest view. Oh my God. Forest view. Scary. Yan siya. Tapos, we have here, meron lang siyang chairs. May coffee table there. Yan siya, pero look, it's scary.
I hope it's
Look guys, it's scary. Mas maganda yung garden view. This one is the forest view. Ewan ko ba't dito? Kala ko sa garden niya ako ilalagay. By the way guys, wala silang aircon here at the Manor. So, ayan lang siya. And yung lamig lang talaga dito sa Baguio, yun lang yun. Wala silang aircon. So, pag summer, hindi ko alam paano yun. Kung mainit ba dito o hindi. Now, let's move on here. So, this area, ito yung walk-in closet natin. So, ayan. May maliit na cabinet. Diyan mo lalagay yung gamit mo. Nandun na yung clothes ko. Tapos may isang bathrobe. Oh! Merong ironing board and iron. Tapos, may umbrella pa. Here, pwede kang mag-makeup. Nandito din yung blower. Ayan siya. So, kompleto siya. Diba? Parang ang sarap pag-stay dito ng mga 3 days, 2 nights. Yun lang guys, hindi na kami pwede mag 3 days, 2 nights kasi may pasok na sa Monday. So, we have to go home early then tomorrow. On this side, ito yung ating toilet. So, here is the Manor toilet. So, here sa The Manor, mapapansin mo talaga na hindi na siya ganong bago. But, pag dito ka nagstay, mafe-feel mo naman talaga yung nasa Baguio ka. Like, ewan ko, ako, favorite place ko to sa Baguio, kahit hindi siya ganong bago, pero malinis naman siya. Pero mararamdaman mo na, mafe-feel mo naman na malinis siya. So, meron tayong lotion, hand soap, magnifying mirror, and then, toothbrush, meron dito cotton bud, shower cap. And this is the shower area. So, complete din naman siya. Meron siyang body wash and shampoo. Walang conditioner. So, yun yung problema ko. Kailangan ko ng conditioner. Wala akong dala masyadong toiletries ngayon. Kasi yung gamit namin, kaka-unpack ko pa lang from Japan. So, hindi ko pa nare-replenish. And kanina, hindi ko talaga alam kasi na mag-overnight kami. Nagdala lang talaga ako ng gamit namin. So, medyo kulang yung gamit ko ngayon. But, I think okay lang naman. Kaya naman. By the way, guys, may weighing scale sila. Perfect. Magtitimbang kami mamaya. Daddy ordered Manam and Pizza Hut. Para hindi na kami lalabas. Kasi sayang yung bayad namin sa hotel. Kung lalabas pa kami, just late na kami dumating. So, ito yung food natin. Wala ko idea kung ano in-order niya. Nakalagay pi bumbong. Ito, kare-kare. May mga pangalan. Guys, kailangan namin magpalipat ng room. Sira yung TV. Plus, parado yung toilet. So, not meant to be here. Alcohol. Miss, pwede ba kami magpalipat ng room? Kasi yung toilet, barado. Tapos yung TV, sira din siya. 124. Finally, after mahabang discussion, nakalipat na kami ng room. So, ngayon pa lang kami magdi-dinner and it's already almost 12 a.m. 12 midnight. Kwento ko sa inyo later kung ano yung nangyari.